Hello friends, welcome to my channel MJS Knowledge Hub. It's exams time now and I hope you're writing your papers very well and we know that the exams to be scheduled on 20, 21, 23 and 24 of December 2019 has been postponed, right? So these exams, the revised date has been given by the institute. And the exams which are from the 26th of December, that is today, and for the rest of the period till 30th of December will be the same. So these four exams to be held on 20th, 21st, 23 and 24 December for the executive and professional both old and new syllabus for the December 2019 attempt will be held on 31st of December to 3rd of Jan 2020. Okay, so how is the schedule being given? We all know that the exams are now conducted in a cyclical manner. That is, the first paper of module 1 will be followed by first paper of module 2. That is paper number 4 for the professional syllabus, and followed by paper number 7, which is the first paper of module 3 for the professional level. Similarly, in the executive level, we'll have one paper in the module 1 combined with the first paper of the module 2. So it will be like 1 2 1 2 thing. So what are the dates given? That examination time is again 2 to 5 p.m. itself, and on 31st of December you'll be having for the executive old syllabus. For 31st of December will be cost of management accounting. The three OMR based question papers will be held on the sequential manner. That is 31st of December cost of management accounting. 1st of Jan on the new year you'll be writing ILGL, and on 2nd Jan you'll be writing tax laws and practice, and the fourth paper will be company account and auditing practices on 3rd of January. This is for the executive old syllabus. For the executive new syllabus, the OMR exams will be on the respective dates. So the balance of exam, that is having jurisprudence, interpretation and general law, will be the first paper on 31st of December, and followed by security laws and capital market on 1st Jan, followed by company law on 2nd January, and economic and business laws in 3rd January. Similarly, for the professional program, old syllabus and the new syllabus respectively held in a cyclical manner. Like on 31st of December, you'll be having advanced company law and practice. 1st of Jan, information technology systems audit. 2nd of Jan, advanced tax laws and practice. And 3rd of Jan, secretarial audit, compliance management and due diligence. Similarly, for the new syllabus, you'll be having on 31st of December governance, risk management and compliance and ethics. 1st Jan you'll be having secretarial audit, compliance management and due diligence, and 2nd Jan you'll be having the first paper of module 3, that's corporate funding and listing in stock exchanges, and 3rd of Jan you'll be having advanced tax laws. So this is the way the same cyclical procedure is being followed, and the exams are rescheduled on from 31st of December to 3rd of January, and the same exam admit card will be applicable for those exams also. So just don't be worried about these exams. They are being held without any much delay, and I strongly urge people to be confident and write these exams, and you're definitely going to be successful and go to the next level. Like executive will go to the professional, and professional will become a qualified company secretary. So all the best for preparation and write the exams very well. All the best.